No, honey, there's nothing wrong with you.
Michael, I want you to know there's nothing wrong with what you're doing right now.
There's nothing wrong with being different, you know?
Clem, there's nothing wrong with you.
Well, there's nothing wrong with your dog.
Really?
No, I wanted to change the routine, and I want to go on exotic trips, and...
There's nothing wrong with that.
There's nothing wrong with that, right?
Sean, you're fucking lying to me about her. Ain't nothing wrong with Stacy.
There's nothing wrong with that. It's the 21st century.
There's nothing wrong with your heart. So there's nothing wrong with her.
No.
Dr. Cullen called. There's nothing wrong with you.
There's nothing wrong with Seth, but he's no Liam.
There's nothing wrong with having someone to go home to.
There's nothing wrong with it.
You know, there's nothing wrong with that name.
I'm walking around CVS like there's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong with having someone to go home to.
There's nothing wrong when you listen to me.
There's nothing wrong with me, Jim.
There's nothing wrong with me.
There's nothing wrong with your hands. There's no reason for you not to phone.
There's nothing wrong with my memory.